Hey guys, it's Mark with findinghometoday.com, and today's question is, I'm a buyer. How do I make an offer? Let's get into it. So when you're a buyer and you're ready to make that offer, you've seen the house of your dreams, you've walked through it, you've kind of looked around, you still want to get a home inspection. What's the next step to moving forward? And there's two main steps we got to work with. First, we've got to get that pre-approval letter ready to be emailed along with the offer over to the listing agent and or seller. Second, there's some paperwork we got to do, and that's why you count on your trusted realtor to make sure we use the latest paperwork in Florida Bar Association paperwork for the offers. And if there's an association, we got to make sure we include an association disclosure. If it's a home older than 1978, we have to use a lead paint disclosure as well. But we put together all the paperwork, we write it up, and it's as easy as sending it over to you to esign. Now the question is, do you understand all that jargon and use that's in the paperwork? You may have some questions about it. Again, that's where we step in and you go, paragraph 6, A section, what does that really mean to me? So we go through it, we talk about it, we put together the offer, put in your details, send it over to esign, you send it back, and that's the easy part. At that point, I'll take the offer paperwork, I'll take the pre-approval letter, and we will send it over to the seller for their thoughts and review and hopefully acceptance. That's how easy it is to write an offer here in Florida. So anyway, bring your other questions to me. I'm here to help. Have a great day. It's Mark with findinghometoday.com. Looking forward to talking to you soon. Have a great day.